Bella, get him. Bella, what do you think of these cows? Bella, what do you think of the cows? Huh? Brody, thank you for jumping. Bella, what do you think of the cows? What do you think? What are you going to do about those cows? Ooh, he didn't like you, Birdie. He didn't like you one bit.